Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing keywords everywhere and entering your API key so data flows immediately. Once done, enable the core metrics: search volume, CPC, and keyword difficulty. These provide search intent and commercial value. Make sure to set your target country and currency so results match your market. Then save settings and refresh search pages. You will see metrics injected into Google, YouTube, and related tools. This step gets you live keyword numbers fast and prevents wasted guesses. You now gather and prioritize keywords using on-page suggestions, and the related keywords widget opens several SERP and tag terms that match intent. Once you have a list, export it as CSV so you can sort by search volume, CPC, and keyword difficulty. Filtering quickly reveals opportunities. Then cluster keywords into topic buckets: informational, commercial, and navigational. This organizes content strategy. Also, check long-tail variations for lower competition and mark quick-win phrases for immediate content. You finish by applying chosen keywords into titles, meta descriptions, headers, and body copy. Use them naturally to satisfy both users and search engines. Once published, monitor rankings and traffic changes and update your CSV lists monthly so new opportunities aren't missed. If keywords everywhere shows blank metrics, first check your API quota and extension permissions, then refresh the browser and log out/in. If issues persist, regenerate the key and re-enter it. This usually restores live metrics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.